Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pickles recipe full guide. Start by gathering cucumbers, vinegar, water, salt, and spices so everything is ready. Wash and trim cucumbers, then pack them tightly in jars with garlic and dill. Prepare a brine of vinegar, water, and salt, heat it, then pour over cucumbers while hot to seal flavors. Allow pickles to rest so flavors develop before tasting. In this segment, we dive into brine basics and flavor balance. Warm the vinegar and water gently and dissolve salt completely so seasoning is even. Taste the brine for brightness and adjust with a little sugar if needed for balance. Add whole spices and aromatics directly to jars to infuse during pickling. Pour hot brine over cucumbers to remove trapped air and jumpstart the pickling process. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker to play music, set timers, or get hands-free recipe help while you pickle. I use one to time my brine and listen to podcasts while jars rest. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Here I explain methods and timing so you can choose what fits your schedule. For quick pickles, chill jars after brining and enjoy in 24 to 48 hours for crisp, bright flavor. For fermented pickles, let jars sit at room temperature until desired tang appears, checking daily for bubbles. If you want pantry shelf life, process sealed jars in a hot water bath following safe canning guidelines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.